Hi, I'm David Haynen, the president, founder, and cosmetic chemist for Loma. Deep Conditioner was one of the first products we developed as a silicone-free product. Deep Conditioner actually does 3 different things, and it's kind of crazy, but stick with me. Number 1, if you use it as a treatment in the salon or as a special treatment at home, it's a deep penetrating, moisturizing, hydrating, rebuilding deep conditioner. Number 2, it's also a fabulous cleansing conditioner. So with curly hair, first of all, get the hair wet, apply a large amount. Now massage your scalp like you're doing a shampoo treatment. Rinse thoroughly. What you're doing is you're breaking the surface tension of the dirt from the hair and you're rinsing it out. After you squeeze the excess water out, go back and reapply it as a conditioner. Then you're going to get the benefits of conditioning. So as a cleansing conditioner, make sure you use it as a 2-step process. And the third application is you can get out of the shower, apply deep conditioner, and it acts as a styling cream. You're going to get texture and volume and lustrous shine out of deep conditioner. So 3 different applications, silicone-free. This is the new innovation of renewable, sustainable silicone replacements, and Deep Conditioner performs unbelievably. If we didn't say that it didn't have silicone, you couldn't tell the difference. You're gonna love Deep Conditioner, particularly the natural citrus aroma that's derived from pure orange, tangerine, grapefruit essential oils. It's gonna add luster and shine to the hair. You'll love Deep Conditioner.